Better with the don't laugh.
Oh, sorry.
Harper, no hitting.
No, but she's right.
I just say no laugh.
Okay,
No.
that's fine.
She was saying no laugh.
Just don't hit Daddy when you say it, okay? Thank you.
Better with the dog. Some with the dog, so they are going around a skip that pig.
That's right.
Do you want me to help hold the pages for you?
That's right.
One with the guy going in,
Mhm.
3 better going out.
Yeah. You're good at
So,
this.
a red dog, a blue tree, a blue dog on a red tree, a green dog on a yellow tree.
Good
That's
job.
right. That's right.
So, with the dog going around a car, a dog a car.
That's right.
So, big dog going up, one little going down.
That's right.
Green dog is up, the yellow dog is down, the red dog is out, the blue dog is in.
That's
Good
right.
job, Harper. You're a good reader.
You are a very good reader.
One dog up the house, still in water.
Yeah, underwater.
A green dog over a tree, a yellow dog under tree.
Good job.
Right.
One dog in a
Two.
boat and in a water.
Yep.